Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the environment. Install Python 3, 8 or newer, and the proper DB driver. Next, set environment variables for host, user, password, and database to avoid secrets in code. Once done, create a virtual environment and pip install the driver and SQLAlchzyme for consistent connections. Make sure to test the connection string with a simple connect call. If it fails, you'll see an immediate error to guide the next fix. You now build the connection and retrieve rows. Use SQLAlchzyme create engine for pooling or a driver. Connect for direct cursors, choose what matches your app. Then execute parameterized queries to avoid injection risks and fetch with cursor, fetch all or pandas. Read SQL for data frame convenience. If the dataset is large, read in chunk size or enable server-side cursors so you don't exhaust RAM. Also, close cursors and connections in a finally block or use context managers to ensure cleanup. You finish by transforming and persisting data. Use pandas for cleaning, grouping, and type conversions, then to CSV or to Parquet for storage, or to SQL to write back. When writing, wrap operations in transactions and commit or rollback to keep integrity, and use batch inserts to improve throughput. If something goes wrong, inspect the exception message, enable driver logging, verify network access and credentials, and reproduce the query in a DB console. This isolates SQL versus Python issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.